Hello. So I've been inspired by Heather Mader art. I have a ton, well, quite a few of my extra paints, quite a few. So I don't like these stacking up quite like this, so I'm gonna use them. So here we go. I'm gonna do kind of like a landscape kind of deal. So the top part, or this part for you guys, is gonna be like the sky. And I got plenty of this old green. I'm gonna mix this with a brighter green. Okay. So we have that. My edges as I go. Okay. This one can go in there. Okay. Now, the fun part. Okay. So let's get some of this purple going. This is where we get to just slap it around a little bit. Right now, and the top part, I'm kind of being strategic. But down here, we get to just let loose. Plenty of color, I think. Okay. Now here's my white. This is Amsterdam white. Whoop. This is Amsterdam white mixed with Floetrol, American Floetrol, and a few drops of Minwax wood conditioner. Okay. Get my swipey swipe. Swipey swipe. I'm just going to use one of these today. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. Nope, don't want to do that. Welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes, and during that time I have been trying to make a Heather Mader balloon for rolling. Now this is a vinyl glove, so it's kind of harder. Let me fix that. I just dropped my glove in my painting. Okay. She ties off all the fingers, okay, except the thumb. And then she blows it up, cuts off all the fingers, except the thumb, because you're going to need the thumb so you can hold on to the balloon like this. So you can stick your thumb in there, in the thumb hole, and you hold on to the balloon. That's what she says. Now, I've never tried it yet. This will be my first time doing it Heather's way. So, we're gonna try it. So, now this is a vinyl glove. She usually uses the latex gloves that fit really well. I am going to use, well, we'll see if, yeah. Is this good enough? I'm mixing some paint over here, trying to see if I need to, no, it looks good. Okay. I would like to use a purple and let's use this white. Get a different, okay. I should put it on the other side because I'm right-handed. Okay. Roll up my sleeves. Get my balloon. I know I'm a little crazy. All right. So I've got my, it's not a balloon, but okay, we're going with it. And we're gonna put some paint on it. This isn't very, all right, we're gonna just go with it. Okay. I've got some white paint. Now I'm gonna drizzle some purple paint on it. That should be good. All right, first balloon roll. Here we go. Oh, I had the right idea. Out of here so I can wipe off my balloon. Okay. Let me try it again. I'm going to go in the same spot. I'm going to put less paint on here. See, I've already kind of rolled the paint off of that spot though. What does Heather say about that? Okay, let's try that again. Well, it does look like a flower. Okay. Okay. I think I'm deflating. I am. I'm deflating. There's a hole somewhere. All right. So that wasn't. I'll just use this, but now I know how to. Oh my goodness. Okay. Maybe I can stick my thumb in here and use it the same way. I'll try it. Putting paint on my balloon. Okay. Purple, purple, purple. Let's get some purple on there. Come on, flow. I just checked and it flowed. Okay. Here we go. And I feel like I have to warm up. There's so much paint on there. Try it again. Gosh darn it. I have the flowers, I guess. There they are. I have the flowers. That one is so small. I know, I just keep trying, don't I? Well, you got to, I guess. Before you get the hang of anything. That one's bigger. Okay. So I've taken so much of that paint off that I'm going to mix just a little bit of white and blue. There we go. A little bit of white and blue. And just kind of smear that around. Because I do have that other painting underneath that I don't necessarily want poking through. Okay, so we're gonna go with this one, and so I went ahead and flipped it around for you. You can see my 3 flowers are on top. So the roll technique eventually did work out for me. I did have to work for it, but I plan on putting some stems and leaves down below. I do see some other flowers and things that I can embellish as well. So that's what I plan on doing when the piece is dry. I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's done, so keep your eye out for that video. I will see you soon. Have a great day.